Hey guys, it's Roy here from Habitat Kits, and I'm here to introduce our new drop-in camper module, which we've got installed in a Toyota Grand Hiace. The system comprises of a sliding bed unit, 3 pods, which are all mounted on heavy-duty lock-in drawer slides. This unit is designed to house a 12-volt fridge of capacity up to 50 litres, depending on the manufacturer's dimensions. You also got a large storage bin here, which could also house a 12-volt battery system or personal items. The second pod unit is a kitchen. There's enough room here to fit a 2-burner Coleman stove, a little storage cubby here for food, and we've also got a cutlery drawer and a sink drawer, and finally the last pod, which is primarily just a storage unit with a divider to house adventure gear, personal items, just whatever you desire. So if we come around the front here, we'll have a look at the slide out bed system. So I'll just show you how easy it is to set up the bed system. So we'll just fold these seats down, come inside and release the locking drawer slides. You can just pull the bed unit forward until it locks, easy as that. And then to pack away, release the locks, slide it in to close.